When it comes to preserving your timber frame and other exposed non-treated wood, going with traditional methods can be best. You don't want wood sitting on concrete because concrete wicks, so people will use knife plates, but you can also use stone because stone is non-wicking. To further protect the timber, use a traditional charring technique to carbonize the outer layer and then seal the pores using something like pine tar or tung oil. You could char the entire frame, but if you want to see that beautiful wood exposed, you're going to want to coat it with something, and a penetrating oil finish is best, not a varnithane that will sit on the surface and flake off and also not allow these semi-green timbers to breathe. You can make your own blend of oils, including things like tung oil and orange oil. On our most exposed structures, we use a ready blended product called heritage oil, and we use the exterior finish, which includes a UV protectant and a mildewicide. You can make your own blend of oils. You can also use a product like Boracare Plus mold to help prevent and treat insect incursions and future mold damage. A word of caution, some preparations of linseed oil actually are mold food in a humid climate and should be avoided. Go with something like tung oil instead. Exposed exterior wood will always need maintenance, so you will need to reapply these products periodically to keep your structure looking its best.